Good morning, everyone. I got some new 2018 Elite Extra Edition in. I actually got it in last night, and I was too tired to open it. If I ever say I'm too tired to open cards, then you know I was really tired. So here I am up early this morning with my deep morning voice. I'm going to open a box of this. There are 8 autographs and 2 mem cards. Panini also promises some other goodies in here. Base Optichrome, hobby exclusive inserts. There are the odds if anybody wants to see those. It is a 200 card set, which is kind of a lot for how many boxes of this you'd have to bust to make that set. Let's see. Well, you get 25 cards, so I mean, I guess it's not that bad. Ten hits in a 25 card box. I mean, you can't really ask for better than that as far as odds go. And it doesn't cost any more than any of the other, well, a lot of the other stuff, so including the ones that have like 2 packs, 1 pack. You can pay more for those. So, but some of these prospect autographs, you know, they'll be reaching, and a lot of these guys will never make it, but still, this is a fun break. I've always liked Elite Extra Edition. Here's a Omar Florentino parallel to 100 aspirations. First autograph is Saul Bautista. Looks like just a base autograph. And Sean, I'm going to say Hilly. I'm going to leave that Hilly. I'm going to leave that J silent, I think. This is on card. The other one was a sticker autograph. Stephen Jennings, base card. Numbered, they should be numbered to 999. And Bo Bichette, that's a good one. Yeah, 999. Pack number 2, starting out with a Deshaun Kiersey Jr. die cut parallel. Let me figure out what it's numbered to. It is 99. It's shimmer, I think. Red shimmer, maybe. And then we have Armando Cruz autograph, sticker autograph, numbered to 50. So blue aspirations. Alec Thomas. Another on card. Jake Wong and Jonathan Bautista. Oh, wow, it's a good looking parallel. Look at that thing. Pull it into this other light and see what it's numbered to. Actually, I don't know why I'm sitting here with just one light on. Ta-da! And the Lord said, "Let there be light." Numbered to 150. Here is Ronald Rollison, a red status die cut autograph on card to 50. Tyler Frank USA jersey card number 299. Here's the Optichrome Parker Karachi. Those look really good. Really nice addition to this, in my opinion. And Tim Cate base card. Alright. Yeah, that Optichrome, I like that. Definitely like that. Alright, Kelvin Alcantara. Osiris Johnson. Simeon Woods Richardson, another on-card auto. It's another good thing about Elite Extra Edition. They do give you a lot of on-card stuff in the hobby boxes. Grayson Janista, Orange Aspirations to 100. Estelani Castillo, this is a jersey auto to 299. Future Threads. Alright, last pack. Deshaun Kiersey Jr. Did I not already get this guy? I thought I did. Here is the Optichrome non-refractor version. Tristan Pompey. Quad Relic Brian Hernandez to, what is that, $3.99. Cody Clemens Chrome Autograph. Wow, I didn't know that was in there. This is to, what is this, $2.99. Yeah, this is a nice touch too. Yeah, I'm liking this. This is good. And the last card is Lionel Sanchez to 49. Looks like a green status die cut. So wow, that's a fun little break, like I hoped it would be. It's kind of hard to judge how good one of these boxes are, you know, when so many of these players are so young. I mean, you kind of just have to, it's kind of a waiting game to see how this turns out to be. But as far as the look of the cards, and I mean, for just 25 cards, it's a fun break. You're just getting hit after hit and a bunch of parallels, and everything's numbered. And I don't know, I'm going to give this one a thumbs up, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. As you did say, I do have another box, so watch for me to post that video soon. Hopefully we'll get some more goodies out of that. So take care. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll be back soon.